Good morning. Millie says good morning as well. We did not sleep through the night, but that's to be expected. She's still doing amazing. So today, I just wanted to talk real quick to kind of follow up with everything going on in the news with the increase in interest rates and all this talk about lowering of home prices and devaluing of home prices. And I think it's so important now more than ever to make sure that you don't take any of these blanket statements as a one size fits all. It's very specific to different markets. So when you have a place like Phoenix, per se, that home prices have been soaring, demand has been soaring for so long, it is a cooling market because it needs to be. But today, let's look at Rochester School District. That includes all three of our high schools, Rochester Hills. And we're going to just look at a couple key indicators. One, what I know everyone wants to talk about is sales price. So the average sales price in August was $505,000 in the Rochester School District. Now, that includes residential homes, condos, multifamily. In September, that price actually rose, average sales price, to $517,000. It's not a drastic difference, but it's still showing you that the home prices between August and September have not drastically dropped. Also, we're going to talk about what's called month supply or inventory in the business sector. Usually that's referred to as absorption rate. So to break that down real easily, it means starting today, if nothing else came on the market, how long would it take for everything that's on the market to sell? In August, that was 2 months, 1 week. And in September, that was actually 2 months flat. Now, in normal quote unquote cycles, if your month supply of inventory is around the 6 month mark, that is correlated with average rates of appreciation. Our months of inventory right now, like I just said, is down to 2 for last month. So that's still indicative of a supply-demand situation. So that still means that there is a demand for homes. So it's just always important to make sure that you're looking at actual data, not just the rhetoric of the news cycle and all those things. Yes, interest rates are going up, and yes, that changes what buyers might be able to spend on a house. However, it definitely also means that because things are staying on the market much longer than they have been in January of this year, which is good, that means that there are sellers out there coming off their prices a little bit or willing to negotiate. So just to encourage you, if you're in a place where you want to buy or even sell, it's still not a terrible decision to do that at all, as you can see, especially in the Rochester School District. So if you are not in the Rochester School District and have specific questions about what your average sales price look like month over month, or what the absorption rate looks like, your months of inventory, always feel free to reach out. We can pull those stats and talk to you about it real quick. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great Monday. And just one more little peek at our little Bernie doodle. She did not sleep through the night last night, but that's fair. That's very fair. All right, hope you guys have a great day. Talk soon.